First one's really easy. What's your name and the name of your business if you have one?
Karina, I'm a real estate agent for the past 15 years.
I'm so sorry. Do you mind repeating that? It's for some reason just focused
Oh,
out.
okay, good.
Okay.
My name is Karina Furling. I'm a real estate agent for the past 15 years.
Perfect. And what did you think of tonight's workshop?
It was amazing. I learned a lot. I have all my platforms. I don't have TikTok, which I'm going to put, but I learned a lot of the things that I can tweak into each one of them and how I can better each one of them so they can be branded, synchronized, and I can do more work on it.
Perfect. And what did you think of the speaker?
I love him. He was great. He made it in a gradient that everybody can understand it.
Awesome. What's the one thing that from this workshop that you're definitely going to implement?
Do reels. I need to do reels. And YouTube and Facebook. I never done a reel on Facebook and Instagram. I need to open TikTok. Do reels is the answer.
Perfect. And would you recommend other people join next time?
Of course.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.